How do I disable my stolen AirPods?
Hey there, welcome to today's video. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how to disable your stolen AirPods. Losing your AirPods can be frustrating, but taking the right actions can help protect your privacy and prevent unauthorized use. So, let's get started.
Find my iPhone, iPad.
The first step is to use the Find My iPhone, iPad feature, which can also be used to locate and manage your AirPods. Here's what you need to do. 1. Open the Find My app on your iPhone or iPad. 2. Sign in with your Apple ID if prompted. 3. Tap on the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. 4. Locate your stolen AirPods from the list of devices. 5. Tap on your AirPods to view their details.
Mark as lost.
Once you've accessed the details of your stolen AirPods, look for the option to mark as lost. Enabling this feature helps to protect your personal data and makes the AirPods unusable for anyone else. Here's how you can do it. 1. Tap on the Actions button, usually represented by 3 dots, on the AirPods details page. 2. Select the Mark as Lost option from the menu. 3. Follow any additional prompts to complete the process.
Erase AirPods.
If you're concerned about your data and want to ensure it remains secure, you can choose to erase AirPods remotely. This will remove all your personal information and reset the AirPods to their factory settings. Here's what you should do. 1. Go back to the AirPods details page. 2. Tap on the Actions button, represented by 3 dots. 3. Choose the Erase AirPods option. 4. Confirm your decision and follow any additional prompts.
Report to local authorities.
While taking the necessary digital steps is important, it's also crucial to report the theft of your AirPods to your local authorities. Provide them with all the relevant information, including any serial numbers or unique identifiers you may have. Congratulations! You've now learned how to disable your stolen AirPods. By using the Find My iPhone, iPad feature, marking them as lost, and potentially erasing them remotely, you can protect your privacy and prevent unauthorized access to your personal data. Remember to report the theft to local authorities as well. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and take care.